to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'll be walking you through step by step on OGC mining app. So if you have not started on OGC, please check the link in the description of the video and start mining OGC, because OGC just starts their pre-market on Gate.io, and this is the message they posted on their Twitter handle. OGC community pre-market. OTC trading is live on Gate.io. Trading has already been enabled. So OGC is launching in a few days from now. Should be around November. You see the OGC launch around November. So if you have not started in OGC, please check the description of this video and start mining. Keep yourself engaged. Take position right now, because this coin is not overhyped. It's not like all these overhyped one, like the what are they calling it, hamster and all that. This coin have enough potentials. You have enough potential and great backings. Just try OGC and thank me. So I'll be walking you through now to show you how to mine the OGC coin right now. So let us go right now to my Telegram. OGC Telegram app, that's the OGC mini app, and as you can see here, OGC only have 823,000 monthly users. So, and you know, the higher the participant on an airdrop, the lower the reward. So you have to position yourself right now. So let me take you through on OGC so that you know how to mine OGC. So alright, so I am on my OGC mini app right now. So this is how the interface looks like, and when you come to the interface, if you are joining for the first time, you will know what you'll be mining right now will be the OGC points, not the main OGC token. The OGC token coin is for those that started early, for the early users. If you mine early, that is when you get the OGC coin. But now what you'll be mining is the OGC points, and for you to mine the OGC points, you see this area here that they go that there's a countdown here. So every day just come and tap on that place, verify that you are a human, and you claim 250 OGC points every day. And you'll be claiming 250 points every day. And another thing you have to be doing is to complete the task. Complete the daily task. And for you to complete the daily task, click on this area, you have this arrows, you have this pointer is. Let me tap on it. So this is the task section. This is the task section. You just click on the task, do the ones you can do, and leave the rest. So it's more compulsory that you can finish the task. Not all you can finish. It's do the ones you can. Just tap on the task. Let me say maybe you want to do this one. Just tap on it. And the task has higher reward for it. Once you tap on the task, just do the task. You take it to the interface, you do the task. Once you do the task, you get rewarded for the task you have done. So another way for you to earn also is by referral. If you refer, you also earn. For you to refer, click on this area, you have this yellow icon here, we are pointing at right now. Just tap on that area and you get your referral link and start sharing them. So, and another thing you have to do, make sure you have connected your wallet, and there are 3 important wallets that you have to be connected: your EVM wallet, with your Ethereum wallet, and your Tron wallet, and also your Tron wallet. That is the 3 wallets that is connected. And you don't really need to even do the task. Just look at this one and just tap on it and just come back. You have claimed the point. So that is how to do it. Just keep on mining, and if you have not started this OGC project, please check the description of this video and start planning. And I will drop the link of my WhatsApp group also, where I drop updates of potential airdrops on my WhatsApp group. So you just check the link of my WhatsApp group right now and join the WhatsApp group. Please don't joke with this OGC project. This project has a strong backing and strong fundamental. So let's see you in my next video. Bye for now. Don't forget to subscribe and share this video.